Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. How you can change Netflix subtitle font on your smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Just for the video purpose, I will play any movie here. So once you play the movie, you need to tap on the down arrow one time, then scroll to the right. You will find the gear option, the setting option right at the bottom. So once you tap on that one, as you can see, you can just go from left to right using the arrow at the left or right on your remote. So here is the size is small. You can change the size of the font here. This is medium and this one is large. So if you want to change the style of the font, you go more to the right. Here is drop shadow. The next one is dark. The background is dark. And this one is yellow color. And the background is dark as well. For this one, the subtitle are in black color, but the background is white. So it depends on your preference that which one you choose. So guys, this is all it takes to change the subtitles on Netflix using your smart TV. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.